Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Gmail. I'm going to show you how to sign out from one of your Gmail accounts on your mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is head up to the top right-hand side of the screen and you will see your profile picture or the first letter of your name. Now, what you want to do here right at the bottom is tap on Manage Accounts on this device, and then you will have to select the account you would like to sign out from. And simply from here, you're going to just tap on remove account. You will be prompted again. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from your device. Do you want to continue? And you will tap remove account. Small disclaimer, this will not remove or delete any of the emails or any other data from the actual account. So if you want to put this back on your device, or if you want to open it on another device, you will still have your data. You will just be removing it from this device. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.